You know, one of the great things about doing YouTube videos is that you get to meet and interact with folks who wouldn't normally have been on your radar, people you wouldn't normally have met. People talk about the YouTube community and it sounds a bit hippy-dreepy, let's all gather around the campfire and sing Kumbaya together. And yet everybody I've met or interacted with through YouTube has been incredibly helpful, knowledgeable and very generous with their time. Of course, there's also a little frisson of rivalry too. Who amongst us doesn't like a little bit of healthy competition? But the overall vibe is very much one of busy people getting on and getting stuff done. I've been chatting and swapping messages with a couple of British YouTubers for a little while. Most recently, Andy McClellan. You know Andy Mac, he's Gosforth Handyman on YouTube. And if you don't know Andy's channel, then go and take a look. There's a link down below. Andy's also a one-man band, cabinet maker, joiner, working in the northeast in Newcastle. And we've been chatting about YouTube and business and this and that. And it came up in conversation that we both listen to a lot of podcasts while we work, but that there wasn't much that we felt was aimed at guys like us. There's a few podcasts with British makers on them, but none that we were aware of that specifically talked about the life of a one-man band, sole trader, carpenter, cabinet maker, joiner, grinding out a living, one fitted wardrobe, one alcove unit, one bookcase at a time in 21st century Britain. So we started one. It's called Measuring Up and it's out today, right now. We've actually pre-recorded the first 3 episodes. Each one's about an hour long, and in episode 1 we talk about where we come from, how we got here. In episode 2 it's about finding work and keeping clients happy, and he also gets bitten by a dog. In episode 3 it's about managing our work in small workshops. And in episode 4, well, you'll have to wait a couple of weeks for that one. Measuring Up is out every 2 weeks, every fortnight. It's available through your podcast player of choice right now, and there's more information than you could ever need at measuringuppodcast.com. Give it a try, give it a listen, and let us know what you think. See you soon.